Don't tell me that you did not know that property management software has the ability to amplify your efforts in multiple ways, including simplifying rent collection, streamlining maintenance management, and much more. In this video, I'll be sharing two property management options, DoorLoop and TurboTenant, so you have a better idea which option suits your business better. Stick around till the end of the video for something special. Hey there, Galina here, a property management expert with DoorLoop. Just to let you know, I do work for DoorLoop, therefore my opinions may be biased. TurboTenant. TurboTenant is a property management software with a mostly free plan that offers a few great features. TurboTenant features. First, let's start by looking at TurboTenant's feature set. Online rent payments, some leasing tools and tenant screening, rental listings, and more. TurboTenant offers a premium plan you can move up to if you want to take advantage of the premium features. TurboTenant pricing. TurboTenant offers a mostly free plan. In addition to this, as is often the case with free property management software, many of the costs are separated from a monthly fee and are an additional cost. Now that we've covered TurboTenant's features and pricing, let's put it all together and look at what the users are saying. TurboTenant reviews. These reviews are from real customers from both major review platforms like Captura and Software Advice. User James said, "Great tracking of invoices and easy rent collection with the ability to maintain property easily and effectively." Another one from Shane regarding customer service. "We received a notice that our account was suspended and they didn't specify why. We sent them numerous emails inquiring as to why. We did not receive a single response. They didn't have a number to call. Very odd. And we no longer have access to the database of people that were interested in our rentals." Now that we have discussed TurboTenant, let's look into DoorLoop to see which option is best suited for your business. DoorLoop. DoorLoop is an all-in-one solution for all your property management needs. Thanks to intuitive approach to the platform and all of the useful features, you'll be able to deal with all your properties much more efficiently, regardless of how many you have. DoorLoop features. DoorLoop features include automatic rent payments, automatic listings, maintenance management, full accounting suite, seamless, easy-to-use tenant communication tools, property website, leasing and screening tools, and much more. DoorLoop pricing. DoorLoop comes in at just $49 for up to 20 units. Simple and easy to use, but incredibly powerful and above all transparent. DoorLoop reviews. DoorLoop users love the software. Here's what one of our customers is saying. DoorLoop has surprisingly met our needs for property management software. It has integrated the property administration and accounting functions, which is rare, by the way. The free usage for 2021 has been beneficial to us as we navigate the software's use, and the staff behind the scene superb. Matt and his team have been continuously supportive, and we find it amazing that they listen and initiate all our suggestions. Continue growing, and we are happy to grow with you. And another customer saying, "DoorLoop is the perfect property management software for my family's residential and commercial projects. We use them for both property management purposes and even when developing a new shopping center. I've tried many other platforms personally, and none come close to the ease of use and customization that DoorLoop offers." Which option should you choose? DoorLoop has lots of features to offer overall. If you're struggling to deal with all your rental properties and are looking for a solution, you can schedule a free demo today to see what DoorLoop can do for you. Go to www.doorloop.com/go. Click the link above for a free demo. Remember that something special I mentioned at the beginning of the video? Well, since you watched this whole video to the very end, you may get a special discount. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.